Video presentation, writing text. Content. I. Presentation. B. Tell an experiencing us outbreak. C. Tell about the crime of the place on the trip. D. Recommendation of the place of the trip. I. Presentation. My name is Nancy Nemuga. I am 23 years old. I am teacher of system. I am live in Tocancipá, Cundinamarca. In Tocancipá, we have tourist place and many park, Autódromo, Jaime Duque Park, it is a picture activity there or teacher system. Okay, B. My last vacation. Last month of January, I was in the city of Villavicencio taking my vacation with my friends, which planned to visit our family there, with yours take ticket into terminal in Bogotá, DC, and traveled at 10 a.m. We spent 7 years in the trip. When arrived to Villavicencio, her family was waiting or is the terminal. Next day, we had breakfast and for talk a relaxing shower because the water is hot. We had round the city. Nurse accompanied at the airport. Bidai when a river closed their house with 5 years enjoyed and church in the river. In the night, we prepared the dinner with the rice, fresh fritters, and salad, and was a delicious dinner. Next day, we came back to Bogotá, DC. Okay. My recommendation. It is recommended that people use sunscreen before to light the house. It is necessary that people they are comfortable clothing, lights, shorts, and chairs. It's a good idea that people use a hat and similar as the protect their jobs. Excuse me. What sort people do in the place or visit live vacations? What people should do in Villavicencio? People should visit Cristo Rey monument in Villavicencio. This picture in the place. People outdoor to go to La Primavera Mall. People has beer clothing to a third wear, dress, tops, shorts, t-shirts. What Georgetown people do in the place you visited lives vacation. What people should do in Villavicencio. People should not die illegal transportation. People out of door to wear dark clothing. People hearts better no door hours with your user solar protection are cap. Okay, thank you.